Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can check your Robux purchase on Roblox. As you can see, I'm logged into my Roblox account on my PC. Now, if you don't know how to log into Roblox on your PC, you can just view the video on our channel where I've taught you to log into Roblox on your PC. Once you've logged into your Roblox account on PC, you'll be redirected to your home page. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see this Roblox icon. So just click on it. Once you click on this Roblox icon, a menu will appear on your screen. Now on this screen, click on this My Transactions option. Now, as you can see, once you click on that My Transactions option, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, on this page, you'll see the entire history of your Robux purchases. You can view your type of transaction here. If you have made more transactions, menus will appear on your screen. You can choose a date range. You can choose from your past day, past 7 day, past 30 days, and past year. And all the data of your incoming Robux and your outgoing Robux will be appeared on your screen. You can also buy Robux by simply clicking on this button. I hope this video helped you to check your transaction purchase on Robux. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.